Today we're gonna be making egg fry sausage curry, and of course my mom is here to, basically make the curry itself. And today we have brought this recipe for you guys so that you guys can follow this and have our homemade recipe. And this is the first time we have ever tried to make a video with my own commentary, and yeah, she asked me to do it, so I'm just kidding. Moving on. All you need is some onions, as you can see, some slices of onions and some slices of freaking, sausage that we can be using, and then tomatoes, freaking red chili or green chili, both works. To be honest, I like both of them. And we need some of the coriander and some green onions. At first, we started off with whisking some eggs, fresh eggs from the farm, and this is gonna be insanely good. And then we put, oil in our pan, just like that, and whisk it a bit. Then we put our jeera, which is like a spice, and then you mix with my chopsticks, like I did. Just do it. And then we use garlic and ginger paste, just like that. Let it sit there, again, yeah, do it, okay? Mix it properly so that it will incorporate with each other. And then after that is done, just add some turmeric powder and onions, right? The amount of onion you want. And then mix it well so that the, onions are caramelized, which will, really increase the taste of the whole egg fried sausage curry. Add some of the, salt you want. How much salty you like the dish, okay? How much saltier you like the dish, just do it. And add some of the, all of your masalas. I'm using Korean powder with jeera powder and some of the turmeric powder, which is also called, red chili powder, and some of the chili flakes. And mix it well like my mom did, and just let it simmer until it is golden brown. After it's golden brown, just add some chili that we just, show in the first video, or the first clip. Then add your egg, and mix it well like you make, the normal scrambled eggs. But we have used onions and other masalas in it, which will make it, so good. Then after that, take another pan while it is being cooked, alright? Add some of your oil. Any oil works, to be honest. We're using sunflower oil, because I think that's the most healthiest, unlike olive oil. Probably you don't use olive oil. So, yeah. Toss in tomatoes when the, scrambled eggs are cooked. And this helps you to get the saucy texture that you need. And then add some soy sauce like my mom did. And some chili paste if you like spicy things. And we like our food spicy. So yeah, when your oil is quite hot in a medium flame, fry it. Just like we did. And, don't forget to check on your egg fried rice. Egg fried sausage curry. Egg fried. I can't even speak. So yeah. Oh, that's so satisfying. Add some of the green onions, then stir it again, and then add your sausages. Don't add the oil because, yeah, that's not healthy. So you can drain your oil from the sausages and then put it in freaking, I call it the eggs. But we're making a video, so yeah, we just gotta get doing. We gotta get moving. So yeah, then Alas just add some coriander, coriander pieces, and then you have it. The best egg fried sausage curry you will ever have. And you can serve it with rice, with chura, which is basically the beaten rice, which we really use to eat as a Nepali community. And yeah, that's probably how you make it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.